Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your problems or issues that you have on a Roblox app. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox studio not opening, you should just go to settings. After that, in this page you will enter to apps, default apps, app settings. When you find this page, you will search about Roblox and you will click. Then this page of app info, you will enter to first stop and we click OK. Here we go to click storage. Then we click clear cache, and in the end of all these steps, then you can turn off your Wi-Fi. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.